that.
Let me say, I keep telling you, no power in this account here can stop what the Denkyira deity wants to do. You understand? So when he came, he also went and told Alessia, Charlie, your wife is playing Golden Stool, which means a natural pump. You understand? Okay, so that's just by the way for the Gen Zs. You understand? Yeah, let's go on. So they reported, he reported it to Alessia.
Okay.
So they started shooting in the air. You understand?
Okay.
And Alessia surrendered. And show where Nana Team Jakari was. So the jobbing troop led by Adakwa Yadom came and captured Nana Team Jakari and cut off his head.
Okay.
Actually, Osei Tutu was also coming. He heard that the Denkyira army had crossed and coming. So he raised a plane and said, Nana, return. Nana Team Jakari has been killed.
Okay.
That's what they call Ahinsan.
Okay.
Actually, because Osei Tutu was the father of Intim Jakari, he didn't want Intim Jakari to be killed.
Okay.
He told them to capture him. So because he killed, it brought a war between Adakwa Yadom and Osei Tutu.
Okay.
So
question I want to ask is that, so it means that the entire Asante troop was not even present at the Feyiase war.